Meet Greg. He has always been a hard worker, but these days he's working smarter. Before, he managed multiple usernames, passwords he kept forgetting, and multiple communication devices cluttering his daily world. What makes Greg's life so much easier now? Let's take a peek. It's 2 p.m. in the afternoon, and Greg gets pinged by his manager to submit a creative plan that same day. The old Greg would have lost time waiting for email responses and return phone calls, but today Greg uses Microsoft Lync. With Lync, Greg can find and connect to the right person based on expertise using Skill Search. Microsoft Lync is able to show you the presence information of Greg's contacts and let him communicate with them in many ways. With Microsoft Lync, Greg can initiate an audio or video conference call right from his email message. He can also easily add other contacts to his current conversation. While busy, Greg can also forward other incoming calls straight to his voicemail and view the message, all while continuing his conference. If Greg needs to step out of the office, Microsoft Lync allows him to switch devices during the conference call without interruption. Greg doesn't have to worry about missing any calls because Lync allows him to forward all calls and voicemails to his other device. I think we found the answer to what helps Greg work smarter. Microsoft Lync brings all of your communications together. So like Greg, you can work seamlessly from anywhere, even when you're on the go.